Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the distributive laws. This law states that in an addition sentence, a multiplication to the whole sentence is the same as multiplying to each number individually. That seems like a very big thing to remember, so let's get a demonstration of what this might look like. Let's get an addition sentence. Let's say we have 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now if we had this addition sentence and we multiply all of it by 2, so 2 times everything, okay? Let's see the result that we get if we did this. Let's do the brackets first. We get 2 plus 3, which is 5, plus 4 is 9. That's inside the group, so 2 times 9 will give us 18. So this is multiplying the entire group first. What the distributive law states is that we could multiply, rather than multiplying the whole group, we can multiply each individual addition, each individual number, by the same number here. Let's demonstrate this. 2 times 2 plus 3 plus 4, that's our same question again. What this means is that we can multiply each number individually by this. So it's going to become 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. Let's see the answer that we get with this. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 8 down. It's also 18. And as you can see, we can multiply each individual number inside the bracket by the number on the outside, rather than adding it all first, then multiplying. Now, this can be generalized by the following. Let's say we have any number, A. Let's label a number A. So if we have A times any two numbers adding, that's A times B plus C. This is the same as A times B plus A times C, like so. We can multiply each individual letter in the bracket by the number on the outside. Why this might be helpful is as following. Let's say we have a big multiplication. Let's say we have 3 times 17. For most people, they could do this and they would just use the algorithm method. But really what we can do is we can break 17. We'll keep 3 times. 17 can be treated as 10 plus 7. Because 10 plus 7 is 17. And because of the distributive law, we can treat this as 3 times 10 plus 3 times 7, which will give us 3 times 10 is 30, plus 3 times 7 is 21. So altogether, this is 51. This is just a little tip that you can use to make possible multiplications like this a little bit easier. Let's take a look at another example. Let's say we have 6 times 28. Okay, so well, we can treat this as 6 times 20 plus 8. Well, this becomes 6 times 20 plus 6 times 8. 6 times 2 is 12, times 10, because it's a 20, not times 2, it's 120. 6 times 8 is 48. Altogether, this is 168. This can also be true with 3 or 4 or however many digit number. Let's say we have 5 times 357. Very big number now. We can break this up as 5 times 300 plus 50 plus 7, which becomes 5 times 300 plus 5 times 50 plus 5 times 7. This is because of the distributive law. 5 times 3 is 15 with 2 zeros that we have not used. 5 times 50, well, 5 times 5 is 25 with a 0 which we haven't used. And 5 times 7 is 35. Adding things all together, we get, this becomes 1,500 plus 250 is 1,750 plus 35, which becomes 1,785. I hope that gave you an insight into the usefulness as well as the definition and example of the distributive law. Best of luck.